Hi friends, today we will see how to increase the root EVS volume of our production machine. So today we will see that currently storage of our instance is 8 GB, so I will make it 15 GB. So for that first we will go to volume, then we will click on the volume, then click on action, then modify, then I will make it 15. If you want to do it 100 GB, so you can do it 100 GB. So click on modify, then click on yes, then click on close. So then we will connect to our Ubuntu server through PuTTY. So I'm giving the username Ubuntu Ubuntu then I will take the IP address of our instance. So we will select this, then click on description. Here is the IP address. Copy this, then open PuTTY and paste it here. So I will increase the font size, then click on SSH, then auth, then I will select the key pair, then click on open, click on yes. So we will type Control L. So currently we are in Ubuntu user, so I will make it come in sudo su in root user. So we will check lsblk storage detail. So it is the new storage that is 1 xdb. So currently it is 8 GB, and dfh here we will see it is approx 8 GB. So currently 1.3 is in used. So for that so we need to I updated it 15 GB, but still it is not updated. It is still here it is showing in main, it is showing 15 GB, but it not the part of this our file system. So I will make that space. So for that we will type grow part. So this command we will use, grow part dev inside xvda space 1. So I will make it in 1, so it is resized. So lsblk we will type and see. So now it come here, but we will see dfh, but it is still not the part of our file system. So for that we need to run some command again. We need to resize our space. For that we need to run this command dev slash xvda1, then we will click enter. Okay, so it is resized. So now we will check lsblk. Now it is showing 15 GB here also, and we will run dfh. So now you able to see, now in our file system it is showing 15 GB. So our storage is resized without affecting our production machine or without downtime. Thank you. So please subscribe our channel, so I will update the video on a production level, so on a daily use cases. Okay, thank you.